sat waiting for the Grimsby train, and as I went off to get off the stop at Doncaster, the door wouldn't open, so we had to shout for one of the clerks people, the people to help at the train station to open the door. Now I'm sat waiting for the Grimsby train to arrive in about 5 minutes. So far the journey's going well.
Hey guys, so I finally got to Grimsby and I'm at my friend's house now. Oh my gosh, it was such an amazing trip. I was on the train to Doncaster and as I went to get off, the train stopped and I literally flung with my suitcase. So I'd like to give a shout out to the woman that stopped me from flinging across the whole train as I was trying to get off. And then I would also like to give a shout out to the woman that actually helped me get off the train because the doors didn't open on my part of my coach and a woman literally had to open the window and shout, "There's a person trying to get off!" So I like to shout out to her for helping me get off the train. And then after that it was about 5 minutes wait and then I got onto the Grimsby train. It smelled like pee, absolute pee, horrible, just dreadful. Why would you want to be on a train that smells like pee? There was no coach A, so I didn't have a coach A 39 seat. So I was like, oh, well, it only goes up to C, so I'll sit on C 39 seat. So that's what I ended up doing for now. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to give you a bit of a house tour.
So we're just having a house tour. At the moment I'm in the kitchen, which looks absolutely fabulous. The whole area is absolutely lovely. Through here we have the living room, which is so good. And then stairs, front door. They've got garage, which is just out here. And then they've also got guinea pig, which is really cool. House is one of the most beautiful houses I've seen, and in my people of the week I'm going to nominate Sonny P, or you'll see his name when I put the phone up, but he's a really good YouTuber. He's one of my friends as well. Well, his chandelier cover was absolutely beautiful, and if you checked him out then it'd be good. My person of the week is Oliver for letting me stay at his house and for being such a great host.
Hello, we are back with
Oliver
at
Oliver's house.
on my channel.
Yes, on your channel. Yeah.
We're now going to get our gift on.
Okay.
We have Skittles.
Fruit in a sweet.
Oliver doesn't believe in them because it's fruit in a sweet.
You can't have fruit in a sweet.
You cannot
You can't have fruit in a sweet.
taste the fruit, feel the fruit. You have to have one of every flavour.
So how many flavours is
Take
it?
a red one, green one, orange one, like that. Currant one.
Is it a sweet strawberry?
You have to find out. That's why I'm going to try them.
I don't like sour strawberry.
Try them. What does it taste?
Bubble gum.
Strawberry.
Bubble gum strawberry. I'm assuming yellow's lemon.
Yeah! I have these ones.
There's an M on these ones
They're crispy ones.
with an M on it.
Oh, that's where I thought the M was from.
Christmas time, Ferrero Rochers. Perfect. They're just like Christmas time.
What?
Ferrero Rochers. Christmas Day. Sausage rolls, Ferrero Rochers. Perfect Christmas Day.
Ferrero Rochers. So what fridges have you tried? Actually no, it's not a fridgie, it's a fridge. Before anyone starts going,
But he does have a point.
oh, shake it.
Well, they did a limited edition Simpson one, which I think was chocolate brownie. I've had that. Strawberry, chocolate, and vanilla, and banana.
So you've had all the basic ones, basically.
Yeah, I'm not a splashy out person.
This one is white chocolate and a raspberry sweater. How does it taste? Bear in mind I drink these all the time.
Munch Bunch yogurts.
What?
Okay.
We also got the options.
Which I've had that one.
We're not going to try them on camera because there's like at least 2 in hot chocolate. Even though they are like 38 calories and 44 calories for anyone who's on diets.
Me.
Shout out the options. We'll end up the video. So, if you like the video, please. Okay, I can't stop moving. If you like the video, please like. Or comment down below what thing you like the most. If it's M&M's, Skittles, Fridgies, options. If you like looking pretty in a video.
What?
If you like looking pretty, I don't know. And share if you really loved it. Favourite it if you loved it loads. And subscribe if you already haven't. I will see you on Friday. Bye guys.
Bye.